Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss how to make our windows even more darker than the dark mode provided in our Windows 10. So let's start this video. Just go to start and select settings. In settings, we have to go to personalizations, go to colors, and here is the transparency effect. In this effect we have to turn it off so that the transparency on the side will go darker. This one, turn it off. Okay, this one, and go downside and uncheck this both. This is the action center. Here you can see the action center. It is color na, so it will disable it. So see this one. Now this one will disable, and the transport also turn black. Now one more thing. Now we are going to decrease the contrast. So go to search and type here Intel. Use the Intel graphics control panel. Click on that. Window will open. Go to this one, display, and go to color settings, and here is the brightness option, but you can reduce the brightness. The more you reduce the brightness, the more it will be black. Just see, I am reducing to 30. So here you can apply this one and click yes, and you will find that the windows is more darker. You can see here, see this one, the dark one. In see this one, file manager, this one is dark. Earlier it was gray, but now it's all dark. So this is all about making windows even more darker. So do subscribe and like the video.